Open your eyes.
It is so pretty. I love all of it.
Hi guys, welcome to our Girls Room Makeover series. There is so much to share, we had to break it down into episodes. In today's video, we have a special guest to help us create our accent wall mural. So let's get into it. We were all excited about her room makeover and saying goodbye to the old accent wall. It was now time to prepare a smooth, clean slate for our new accent wall. We loaded the spray gun with primer to help the project go quicker. Just want to let you guys know we are replacing her floor as well, so we don't have to worry about getting paint on the old carpet.
But we did have to re-prime the wall because of all the drip marks.
We just finished priming everything white, and at her request,
She wanted everything to be pink. So this room is going to be extremely pink.
yes, so we're gonna see how that works out. I think there's like a lot of paint fumes in here. So we have finished priming the entire room, everything, and now we're going to get ready to paint it pink.
We were thankful that our daughter picked out a very light pink for her room.
It was a color that we could tell was going to complement her new flooring and dresser and really brighten the space. We painted all the walls, but for the accent wall, we left the middle primed white for Abby. She had been sketching mural ideas from our text, and we were all excited to meet to finalize the design.
We're here. Hello, sweetie. Good to see you too.
Hi.
Good morning. Come on in.
This is Sky, my assistant.
It was impressive to see how Abby created a customized mural that included all our design items. First, we had one of Isla's favorite, a calico cat. Plus, we had the mural design we saw on Pinterest. Then we added the dimensions of her thrifted dresser. Abby added her signature whimsical design to create a mural that we all loved.
Yeah, this artwork is going to look great in Isla's room.
Now it was time to go shopping. Little Mama was determined to pick out her mirrors at Walmart. Make sure you're subscribed to see how her dresser turns out in this room makeover series.
We found a better deal at Hobby Lobby, so we just swapped them out.
Then we stopped at Lowe's to match the paint colors Abby assigned to the mural.
We always check the Oops Paint clearance section to see what we can find.
This time we hit the jackpot. We found a black color that someone returned, and this is some quality paint. We found like a golden color.
We weren't concerned about the paint finish, and we knew these were great deals.
There's just something about getting pre-tinted paint that they shake up for you. And look, we even found an orange color. Can you believe it? All this for around $25. Our next step was to outline the mural on the wall with the dimensions from the concept sketch. The kids were very interested to see how the computer picture would come to life as an accent wall. We had to measure that the mirrors were level and above the dresser, the mural was centered, and that there was enough room for her closet door to open.
Fun fact, all almost like 99.9% of calicos, which are that color combination, are always female.
Really?
Yeah.
So all calico cats can consider girls.
Girls. Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Abby began to sketch the mural on the wall, but we couldn't see it through the camera. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to like and share. Now it was time to get into the paint. Once Charlotte's base layer of paint dried, we filled in the remaining primed areas with pink around her edges.
We used our white trim paint to touch up the door and baseboards.
We also painted the mirror frames to match Charlotte's bow. There were some final touches to add before adding the mirror eyes. Isla saw the sketches, but she has not seen the full Charlotte on her wall. We used a blow dryer to quickly dry the paint and allow us to draw on the whiskers without smudging the base layer.
So we're about to put up, this is one of the mirrors that we have for the eyes.
We painted over the marks that we had. So right now we just want to make sure they're level again, and we line them up with the eyelashes.
Yeah, so we had to fill in all of this black so that there were no white spaces around the border of the eye. So we're using these drywall anchors to go into the wall, and we're using the drywall anchors because we don't have studs behind the drywall. And so these drywall anchors help to keep the mirror straight up and it won't fall out of the wall. And so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna put this about 3/4 of the way in. And what happens is it opens up on the back side of the wall. That crack, you heard that crack? It was opening up on the back side of the wall. So we leave it here so the hook can hang on to it for the mirror. Take the mirror, and you see this hook? We're gonna take that hook right there and place it on the back side or the front side. And sometimes this is where the fun begins, but I got it. There you go. And it's on, so it doesn't come off. There's one. So here's the other one. So we have this hook right here, and we're gonna take it and we use our fingers to kind of let it fall onto the nail, the screw. And there it is.
There it is. Nice. Dad, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you ready to see your little room?